never little creek and everything. So when the water's being poured and it gets released, the releases go down over 7-year period. And it's a 60-40 split, so 40% down the Murray River, 60% down the Murrumbidgee. We go around every one we're interested in and just gauge it all in one day. So here's a snapshot today. Yeah. The 2 walk bridges here were underwater. The creek's just this small catchment here. And the idea is like a gauging. You gauge different points in the river. So the snow's not always the same in your area. So up there we've got a mixture of drifty snow. So that one there that we can see, there's another one to the right. That was a bit drifty, we decided, didn't we? That one, the second last one, is a representative of sort of a drift. Bringing it out, we might lose some. But also what happens is a lot of air pockets under the snow now, because there's actually animals that live under the snow. Basically all we do is we will measure this, so what you've got 8 inches in that. So we'll have, alright, do an empty. So that's 18 all up, we'll just get rid of that. So the big mountain, the really big mountain, which you can't see, that's in the clouds, and they're not the land of the long white cloud up there, that's Mount Kosciuszko. It's 2,228 or 2,229, depending on what book you read, metres high. So we've got a snow course just around the corner here, called Charlotte Pass. And because we've got the ski cams down at the resort, I can look at the cams and look at the mountain.
In a small research catchment just near the Perisher ski fields, Shane Billish of Snowy Hydro is undertaking a study into water and energy fluxes during the snowmelt season. Development and ablation of the snowpack are being investigated in this study and will be conducted over 2 years. At Guthaga Dam, a number of precipitation gauges have been established for a variety of studies into improving solid precipitation monitoring. One study involves comparison of double fence inter-comparison reference gauges with different configurations of wind fences against a non-wind fence installation and the existing heated gauge hut with the roof-mounted Shasta shield. The data study is looking at quantifying solid precipitation undercatch under a variety of conditions. Inside the fences are NOAA 2 gauges manufactured by ETI. These are weighing gauges. Another study was Snowy Hydro participation in the WMO solid precipitation inter-comparison experiment, where SHL installed an additional 2 gauges, in this case GNOR weighing gauges, at this location as well. This program of comparing gauges will continue for another few years yet. At 1,740 metres above sea level, Kerry's is one of our higher long-term precipitation gauge stations. At this site we are trialling a summer's snow scale setup in comparison with an existing part mechanical glycol-filled snow pillow. The aim of this project is to compare the values of the data coming from both the systems, and eventually we would like to remove the glycol-filled system out of the environment.
So the only point that measured snow is the middle one. So all the rest around is meant to try and stop
bridging.
Bridging.
Yeah.
So this one was just I just had a simple system that Measurement Engineering made up for me to run another sort of site. I just need to get this going so I can get data off it.
How much? 8?
About 8. So I've taken some footage of the waterproof camera in there at 5. So it's got that island form out there, so I'm looking at using this as a potential ADCP site and having people set up a number of lines closer to that little island in the middle. See what influences and come down. But the hassle was I was going to do it on Monday. There's under one underneath it now. There might be 2 coming underneath. There's one further out.